What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we are going to jump into my very first headband wig. And I'm so excited. So let's jump right in because your girl looking a little different. That's all right. I got my edges laid just a little bit. And I pulled this back just far enough, I think, that I'm going to need for the headband. So here we go. This is by Hair Beauty. And I will go ahead and put their information in the description. Yeah, so this is not sponsored. I purchased this myself because I wanted something a little bit different than what I usually go with. And so today we're going to be trying on a Kinky straight color black 22 inches. So let's jump into it. So here's how it looks fresh out the package. Oh, how sweet. They put a wig cap in there for me. I already have one on, so we'll just save that for later. But it is so pretty. It has a net around it. I don't know if you guys can see. So here's the net. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Pull it out. Ooh, so far, so good. Okay. Look at her. Ain't she cute? Okay. So on the inside, there's some paper. And for the headband, it seems to be a very silky material, which is awesome. And then there's like a Velcro strap here to snap the wig together. Okay, and inside, and we're just going to take the tag out. I'm excited to be trying my first headband wig. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have one. I've been seeing these all over the place. So this one is synthetic, but I do like the hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and try her on. So here we go. Seems to be simple enough to just put it on. Okay, all right, we're getting somewhere. Adjust it in the back. There are also some combs in here as well. So let me go ahead and cover my little brown. Okay, we're getting cute, right, y'all? Comment below. Tell me how y'all think I look with the straight hair. Okay, so I'm just going to snap it in the back. Make sure it's as tight as I can get it. Okay. Look. Oh, snap. I'm cute, huh? Okay, so yeah, this is really pretty. And it's flat enough at the top where it doesn't look all bulky. Okay, so you guys know I had to go grab a comb because what's the point of having some straight hair if you can't comb it, right? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait till my hair grows this long. It might take a while, but you know, this is definitely the goal. Okay. Long, kinky hair. So pretty. Look at that. It blends in so well with my edges. And I only have a little bit of my edges out, so I just wanted to look as natural as possible. But yeah, guys, so it's long. It's definitely a switch from what I'm used to. So I'm just gonna see. When you first get a wig, you can expect a little bit of shedding. So I'm experiencing just a little bit. Probably so far maybe about 10 strands from what I can see. It is kinky textured, so I definitely am just kind of combing through it a little bit. I'll show you guys the back. See if you can see. It feels like it's going to stay. I don't really have to put too much effort into it at all. It was not something I had to glue down or nothing, and I love that because I ain't got time to be trying to do a lace front. Like, sis got 4 kids and a husband. Like, I need to be able to just go. Okay, so anywho, I think this is super cute. I'm gonna try to get you guys a full look. Like, it's kind of hard to get you guys a full look at how long it is, but like it comes like, okay, let's see how long. Like, it comes down all the way down. Like, and it's thick all the way down. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see the texture. It's so soft. Yeah, I can get used to this. This is so cute. I absolutely love this hair. Like, I can see myself swinging it all day. But yeah, guys, but with it being a headband wig, like, I should be able to put it up. Like, I'm gonna just play around with it for a minute. You can see here, it's done very well, very sleek like. So if I wanted to, you know, leave some down and pull some up, I should be able to. Let's see. Yep. No, it's not tight down. I'm just gonna play with it here just to see if I can do anything with it. Yeah, so I don't have a whole bunch of materials handy to do much with it right now, but you know, if I want to do half up, half down, I could do that and it would be cute, you know. So of course I would have to have like some bobby pins or something to keep it in place, but she's cute. Like, yeah. This is why y'all be out here rocking these headband wigs, because this is so cute. I definitely could see myself getting more of these. I will put the link in my description to let you guys know which one I got. I got this from Amazon, and I don't think it was too much. Like, I want to say I got it for like under $35. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, guys, so comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you think she is cute. You definitely want to play around with it, you know, see what you want to do, where you want placement wise. Because I can see here it's kind of pulling up a little bit, which really wouldn't matter too much if I would have used their black cap, wig cap. But yeah, guys, so my hair is in a protective style, minding its own business, while I'm still able to give cute. Okay. Like, and you can move it to the side. You can go from middle part to like a side part if you want. And it's not going to be an actual part, but you know what I'm saying? Give it a little bit of a tassel here. And yes, okay. So anywho, I definitely like this. I don't know if you could put heat on it or not. I probably wouldn't want to. I mean, I like it just the way it is. So get you one, play in it if you want. I'm definitely gonna recommend this one. I love the material, not much shedding. It's super, super soft. It's thick, yeah, it's not too thick. You know what I mean? So I definitely like this a whole lot. Yeah. So anyhow, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Don't forget to hit your bell notification so you know every time I post a video. I am definitely happy to have you on my team. Again, I am Tiarrea B and I am out. Bye.